or Hershey? Let's see. So from the the chocolate color, red and brown. Okay. So I'll I'll see you when I decide a chocolate wash episode. So I decided one. I decided let's go with Hershey. And this has on my Halloween family. I still have a little bunch. Is that a Hershey? It's not that cute. Is that cute? Ah, okay. Okay, good. So yeah, okay. Mm, yeah. So this one, that's good. But now it's time for the pizza. Pizza. Is there a pizza? Let's try. No, no. No. Yeah. 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 Hmm. I think it's hard. Let's try one more bite. Uh, Hershey and the no, and the pizza can Hershey a 5.5. But let's try it together. No, no. Yeah. Oh. So good. See ya.